Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add contact us page or how you can add contact us form for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's start. First, let's say that you created the contact us page already. Now you want to scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is contact us form. Click here on sign up for free. When you will have it, you'll want to add like email here or password. It's really up to you. And sign up with Google or Facebook. Click login and right here contact. Now when you got it, you're gonna see contact form. And now you can go like with a simple form or email form and like really choose which one you like. I will like this one here. Now let's continue with the template. What I really like is that you can edit literally everything. First name, John, attachments, then mail, to what email you want to have it. Message, also like I don't want to have phone there. Yes, I want to remove it. Attachments also gone. Perfect. Now, when I got it, you can like action after submit. Then you get like messages, error message. Really, you can edit everything. And then you get like appearance, and you can edit that too. So I can go like with 600 or even floating. Now when we have it, let's click save. When you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan. Wait a second, I'll remove this. You need to choose a plan. If you're starting out, go with light version. But if you want to have like 5,000, 50,000 views, choose a pro or basic. That's like $5 or $10 a month. Also, you got like all applications, but we will get to in the end of the video. So let's copy the code here. So I have it here and I will delete this one. I will add HTML between my 3 columns like that. And I will edit, I will paste my code here. Look at this, save HTML and click save. Okay, and now when we have it, you can see it's quite perfect, but we need to play around it a little bit. So we need to have it like that. But what I would do is I wouldn't do it here. I wouldn't paste it to between columns. Literally, I would rather put it here. So give me a second, HTML like that, and let's edit here. It's going to be much better, I think. Yep. So this is how we can do it. You can also check like other contact forms, etc. that you would like to use. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And also, if you're gonna check out like all the Placeit applications, check the Pro Pack or Basic Pack. It's much worth it. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.